Across the board, alpha males are regarded as the most successful type of male. The main factor in their success is that they enjoy receiving support from others. The alpha male likes to exert control and enjoys always being in the driver's seat. What transpires, though, when he meets someone who is the complete opposite? Someone he knows he can't control, someone who is equally intelligent as him, if not smarter, but doesn't want to show it. In real life, the lone wolf is just like the alpha wolf in a wolf pack, who has no control over him. The handling of sigma males by alpha males is impossible. The characteristics that sigma men have helped them to remain successful, even beyond what alpha males can accomplish. Stay until the very end if you're interested in learning why these two breeds don't mix. So in today's video, we'll discuss this is why alpha males can't handle sigma males. Number 1. Alpha males feel threatened by their confidence. The alpha males are known to be threatened by the sigma males' overconfidence in their own strength and abilities. We all understand that the alpha male is a very confident individual, but he is in no way comparable to a sigma. A sigma can demonstrate his skills on his own, unlike an alpha, who depends on his social circle. This gives the impression to the alpha man that a sigma gets everything without having to work for it. However, that is not the case because sigma men put in just as much effort as alpha men do, but they don't brag about how difficult the process is like alpha men do. They only display the outcome, giving the impression that they have an easy time of it. Number 2. If they choose, they can be alpha. Nothing is more dangerous to an alpha male than the knowledge that someone else can quickly take his place. The male members of Sigma have everything they require to become alphas, but they do not desire it. They can take over and lead without any issues because they are capable and confident. The alpha male does not like this because they want everyone to be less intelligent and charismatic than them. The fact that a Sigma male can survive without them hurts their ego for this reason. Because the alpha male is aware that the Sigma is just as well equipped as he is, he cannot manipulate or force the Sigma to depend on him. Furthermore, the alpha male does not want to associate with the Sigma male because he is concerned that when people realize how great the Sigma male is, they will turn away from him. Number 3. Male Sigmas are more appealing to women. Contrary to popular belief, women don't find alpha men to be as attractive as they think. Because they are real men, women are more drawn to Sigma males. Despite the fact that it might seem as though the alpha male in the room center is the center of attention, the gentleman, who is now enjoying his solitude in the corner, is soon noticed by the ladies. The alpha male despises it when women turn their attention to someone else because he wants all the women for himself. Although he is unable to understand what attracts women to a dull Sigma male, when the male Sigma is present, he dislikes it. Number 4. They refuse to follow orders. Sigma males don't like to take orders, in addition to not following rules. Sigma males do not want to be told what to do, particularly by an alpha male, in contrast to beta males who require such direction. They are individuals who prefer to do what makes them happy, and an alpha male cannot tolerate this. Alpha males are intimidating and thrive on giving orders. They expect everyone to do as they are told without questioning their authority. Alphas are masters of manipulation. They will go to any lengths to identify a person's vulnerability so that they can exploit it for their own ends. All of their tricks, however, are rendered useless when they encounter a Sigma male because he is a master of his own. Sigma men are aware of the system but reject it. They are aware that they are just as capable as the person giving them orders, so taking orders is not something they want to do. This is yet another factor that makes it challenging for them both to collaborate. Number 5. They favor working alone. The reason Sigma males are known as lone wolves is because they value solitude more than anything else. They prefer working alone rather than in groups because they don't want anyone to upset their mental equilibrium and would rather put forth the effort on their own until they succeed. The alpha male, on the other hand, is the complete opposite. He enjoys working with people. They favor collaborative efforts and eventually want to claim all the glory. Alpha males find it challenging to function when paired with Sigma males because the Sigma prefers to work independently rather than collaboratively. Since the alpha male wants to be the most important member of the team, even when he is not necessarily performing the most important duty, he can rile them up and make them angry. But sigma males don't care about things like that. Instead, a sigma will work alone just to admire the beauty of his creation. And sometimes this can make the other team members feel ineffective, which is something an alpha male can't stand. This is not to say that men in the sigma fraternity can't work in groups, but they prefer to be in environments where their thoughts and opinions are valued without bias. Since sigma men do not like to be ignored or dominated by anyone, alpha men find it challenging to manage them. The alpha can only control the sigma if he pays attention to him and respects his thoughts and opinions. The alpha will discover that a sigma male can be an incredible asset and ally if he is willing to do this. Number 6. They lead in silence. The alpha male, aside from being afraid of being replaced, detests having to delegate leadership to anyone else. When needed, sigma males can be very useful and reliable. The alpha male in the room will be easily eclipsed in this situation. The alpha male despises being in the background and is constantly seeking the center of attention, but they are unable to handle all responsibilities by themselves. Only the sigma male is easily replaceable whenever they fall short. Even more so than alphas, sigmas are capable of taking the reins and guiding the group. Despite the fact that the sigma will never challenge the alpha for leadership, the alpha is constantly intimidated by his presence. The alpha male does not want the sigma male to upset the balance in the group because he holds no real position in the social hierarchy. Number 7. Even in the absence of rivals, they are prosperous. Competition is everything to an alpha male. In fact, he needs it to succeed because it drives him to succeed. The alpha male can use all of his might to eliminate his rivals. But what happens when he encounters a man who does not require rivalry to succeed? Sigma men, on the other hand, are very successful even when there is no one else to compare themselves to. So that presents a problem for alpha men. Sigma males will choose to let things go rather than fall for the trap, even if it draws them into combat. The alpha will despise a sigma for this when he realizes he can't force the sigma into a competition because it will make his success meaningless. The sigma now finds meaning in everything he does and doesn't need anyone to tell him how great he is, so he will continue to do what he loves to the best of his ability. The alpha male cannot comprehend why he would prefer to spend his time and energy on what he is already doing, rather than searching for people to compete with. So, he will completely avoid the sigma male. Due to these differences, the alpha group does not allow the men in the sigma group to collaborate or interact. It is thought that sigma men are an improved version of other male types. In contrast to the general public, sigma stands out for their charisma and fierce determination. But because the sigma men and the alphas have different personalities, it can be challenging for the alphas to manage them. Do you agree with any of these points? In the comment section, please let us know. Have a good one until then.